Now we have the all-encompassing Amber Heard, American actress who was or is married to Johnny Depp. Her superhero characteristics is she's a sound queen. I love sound. I study sound because I'm a musical composer. I write, compose, arrange, transpose, transcribe, and I have a deep-seated infatuation with all different variations and aspects of sound. And I think she has the ability to manipulate sound. She can do whatever she wants with sound. What she can do with sound, the possibilities are infinite. She can manipulate sound, she can create sound, she can move sound, she can, and also her superhero ability is her ability to allow sound to accelerate beyond 770 miles an hour. So I think that's an intriguing superhero ability, if you ask me. There you have it, Amber Heard.